Hello mini traders, welcome back to our comprehensive algo trading course. Today we are going to dive into the world of Python modules. So let's get started. First off, what is a module in Python? A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements. The file name is the module name with the suffix .py added. Let's create our own module. We'll call it my module. In this module, we'll define a function and a variable. Then we'll show you how to call this module in another Python script. As you see, first we write the name of the module and then call the function. Notice that these two files must be in the same folder, or the module should be installed in Python using pip, conda, etc. Python provides another way to import specific parts of a module. This can be done using the from import statement. This way you wouldn't need to specify the module name before using the function or variables inside it. Sometimes module names can be long and you might want to shorten them. Python has a solution for this. You can use the as keyword to rename the module while importing it. Python comes with a lot of built-in modules that you can use in your programs. In the example, you can see how to import and use one of these built-in modules. The dir function is a powerful tool for us. It returns all properties and methods of the specific object without the values. You can use this function on your module to see what that module contains. Python has a vast collection of modules which are not built into Python. You can install these modules using pip or conda in Jupyter Notebook. In the example, you can see how we install numpy module. You should replace the numpy name with the name of module you are going to install. That's all for today's video on Python modules. Remember, the best way to learn is by practicing. So make sure to practice what you've learned today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye.